So let's experiment. Thought I'd turn on the camera and bring you guys along as I experiment with another Let's Add Curls to My Microlocs video. So this time around, as you can see, I got some synthetic hair from my local beauty supply store. It's Bobby Boss Brazilian deep wave or something like that. Deep twist or something. Here's the thing, that hair is really soft, and really soft hair tends to be horrible for crochet styles. And that's because they tend to get frizzy almost immediately. And so that was my experience here. So what you're going to see in this video is you're going to see me install just a few pieces. I'm sectioning off the top of my hair because there's no need to add hair through the lower parts, because you wouldn't see it and it would just have more opportunity to be a tangled mess. So from right where you see me parting and up, I'll do like a row or two where I'll add a couple pieces on each side, and then I think I do even fewer in the back. I just literally put 1 or 2 pieces in the back. So this is New Year's Eve that I'm adding this for a little razzle dazzle, little pizzazz. First of all, the hair is super soft and frizzes almost instantly, like I stated earlier. Secondly, it's synthetic hair. It has that silky smooth texture, and that generally does not look good against locks. I think it's a little better and a little more acceptable when it's at the end of locks, like I did in, a few of my previous videos, adding curly extensions to the bottom of my locks. When you're adding it throughout like this, that's interesting, that shininess against locks. To me, I don't think it looks very good. Now, I did get a lot of compliments on New Year's Eve for this style. I think part of that is people are just nice in general. But, I guess it looked decent, but it's not me. I don't care for it that much, but it was worth the experiment. Now, I think if you want to try this, it might be better to get either A, some sort of human hair, Mongolian or something, or B, a crunchy synthetic, kind of like soft red hair or something like that, like the hair I used in my island twist video. But yeah, if it's super soft, it's not going to work. Crunchy hair may be better, and a hair that's not a smooth texture is going to be better. Now, I've been very negative about this style. Obviously, I do not recommend. However, like I said, it wasn't a complete and total hot mess. After, you guys finishing me do the install, you're going to see, not the next day, because the next day my hair was in a ponytail the whole day because I didn't leave home on the holiday, on New Year's Day. But then the following day I did have to go to work, and so I turned the camera on to show y'all what that looked like. And it doesn't really show on camera as much, but to try and manipulate my hair in any way, I kept running into the frizz and even tangledness of the synthetic hair, and I only put a few pieces in. So again, spoiler alert, I do not recommend, but I think that you can play with it and get the right kind of hair that would work. Just don't use super soft synthetic hair like this Bobby Boss Brazilian deep wave hair. Okay, hope I wasn't overly negative. I think I got my point across. I like the idea. I don't really like the execution, or that is the materials that I've used in this style, but I'm big on curls. I really enjoy braid outs for that reason. Like I said, I look decent when I left the house. I don't feel like this looks terrible, but it's just not practical. All right, next clip, you're going to see 2 days later how it held up. I did go to work with it, but if I had time, I would have taken it out. This is me before work. How did it do? How did it do? Yep, looking crazy. Me and the hair. Trying to give y'all all angles here. All right, so you see how, I'm barely doing much manipulation. That's frizzy. I just didn't feel free to manipulate my hair. One, because, I was catching tangles from the synthetic hair. I even cut a couple of the curls out of my head while I was sitting at my desk, which was risky because I wasn't really looking in a mirror. Definitely don't want to cut the locks out. So yeah, I just laid down my edges and went on about my business. But the experiment was a fail in my estimation, but it has potential to work with the right kind of hair. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.